The case was fixed for orders. We had previously argued on whether the charge is to be framed or no, and under what sections are to be kept and what sections are to be dropped. As per the charge sheet, whatever sections were included, the judge has ordered for charge to be framed on all those sections. And the charge is going to be framed on the 12th. The main sections are like for rape, for wrongful restraint, and under the POCSO Act, because she was underage. The second accused is going to be charged for abatement of these offences.
जसो अदमास आशिल्लो तशीच अर्द आयल्या म्हूण बाबूश मिडिया कडेन उलयलो. आरोप निश्चित करपाचे अर्दीक हायकोर्टात चॅलेंज दिवचो ना, ट्रायलीक वतलो. जाता तितले बेगीन ही केस सोंपची, ट्रायल बेगोबेग घेवची म्हूण हायकोर्टात वता म्हूण बाबूश उलयला.
This order was actually on expected lines, as my lawyer had personally told me. Looking at other circumstances. So looking at that, it was not, it was in expected. No, it was in expected lines. We were not supposed. See, I am not going to challenge these order for a simple reason. I am not going to challenge because see, we have challenged that order as far before framing of charges regarding the police station. Now that thing is hanging in the High Court for almost now 4 years. That at least I believe by now that matter would have got over. We are going to face the trial here, but we will basically go to the High Court to tell them to expedite the matter. So I wanted basically to finish. Even if it goes on daily basis, it's fine with me.
इतले मजगती बिग डॅडी कॅसिनोच्या अतिक्रमणांचे बोवाळात बाबुशान विनयभंग केलो म्हूण दोगा लेडी एक्टिविस्टांनी घाल्ले केशीत बाबूश मोन्सेराताक अटकपूर्व जामीन मेळ्ळो. बरोबर महापौर उदय मडकयकार आणि आदलो महापौर यतीन पारेखाकूय अटकपूर्व जामीन दिला.
That he should report to the police as and when required by the police.
What is the personal bond or something?
I can't say anything because I didn't hear. Order medical curtain.
तुम्ही आणि काउंटर कंप्लेंट एक मेन्शन केले की
Yeah, I pointed. We brought his notice. In fact, we placed those documents also on record that a councillor of the corporation has filed a counter complaint against all those persons who are obstructed in carrying out these public functions of the corporation. See, encroachment on a footpath, there are judgments of the Supreme Court, of the High Court. There are directions that such encroachment should not be permitted and allowed to continue. Whether the corporation was right or wrong in removing it is a different issue. They have removed it, you have obstructed it. There is obstruction in public duties. So to that effect, a complaint has been filed, FIR also is registered.
Bureau Report Prudent.